Okay, here's the emulator for Commodore 64. We're going to attach a disk tape image to number guess. So okay, this was a demo game when I had my Atari 400 computer with 16 kilobytes of RAM back in the 80s, and I retyped it into my Commodore 64, and here it is on emulator. Like I did before with the random statement, I have a guess between a number between 1 and 100. So 50, which gives you an even break for any number because you don't go higher or lower, so you start in the middle. Too high gets lower, you cut that in half, 25. Too high gets lower, so it's got to be in between 20 and 25 and 50. So you add about 13 or 12, which would be 37. So let's say 36. So it's in between 25 and 37. So that's let me see, 13 apart. So say 6. Say 31. Too low. So it's in between 31 and 37. Gets lower. Oh, I messed up. Great. Oh, lower than 31. Great. Great, I messed up back at 25. Perfect. 19. 11 tries. This gives you the rank of borderline. 1 to play again, 9 to quit. Let's see if I can do it right this time. Cut this in half, lower. 25 is lower. 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 Higher. Lower. 7 tries. This gives you the rank of kind of smart. I hit 9 to quit. Now I'll list, and I have right here tries. Every time you try for the game, it has the numeric variable tries, and it equals tries plus 1. So if you get on the first guess, you're the ultimate player. $B is your rank. And the second guess, you're a mega brain. Third guess, you're a mastermind. Fourth guess, you're super genius. Fifth guess, you're a math master, above normal, kind of smart, borderline. It goes over 15, dopehead and imbecile, like I almost got the first time. So some of the workings of this game, let me see here if I can. Okay, now wait, in the top of the screen I have type 2 to cheat in the number 74. It cheats, and if it has 1 to play again and 9 to quit, if you hit 2 where the computer doesn't tell you, that's a back door, and it forces the number to be 74. If you type in 74, you get it right in the first time. So that's an example of a back door. I have, let me see right here, let tries equal 0, so it was called initializing. If you play the game and you play it again, your tries won't be reset, so it's going to keep adding on all the missed tries you had from the first game. We don't want that, so you got to let it equal 0. Number equals X. And this is the X is the random between 1 and 100. Tries equal tries plus 1. Now if you're going to quit in the middle of the game, you got to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, then go to 400. If G is greater than number, this is the greater than sign, then print 2 high gets lower. If G is less than number, then print 2 low gets higher. If G equals a number, then go to 170. So it's going to go to 170 where you actually get the answer right and you process your rank. Let's see beyond 130. Okay. Now, if the number is higher than 100, but it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, that error won't count against you. So in case you brush against the wrong key and you type again 15, you hit 509 or something like that, and it let tries equal tries minus 1, so it takes away your try, so the error won't count as a try. So it's kind of the way to clean things up. Then it sums up right here. It took you how many tries? It took you tries $. How many tries? And your rank is processed. And there you go. Now, a val $. Is tricky. I have the program to type in a number, but if you type in a character instead, it'll give you an error message. It'll say redo from start. So the value of the character string, or the string, converts it to a number automatically. That's what the val command does. And here's a cheat. If val equals 2, then x equals 74, go to 10. So it doesn't restart. It restarts in the middle of the program where the numeric random variable is not generated, and it forces it to be 74. So we'll try this. 50, 75, lower than 84, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. Borderline. I'll hit 2, type in 74. That's it. It took you one try. This gives you the rank of Ultimate Player. And so there you go. I want to play again. Now let's say I type in text. Redo from start. So it's saying I'm not accepting words as a numeric entry, so I'm forcing you to retry again. Okay, your guess is, let's say I hit 56 and my 6 and 7 brush up against each other by accident and I type it fast without checking. That error won't count against you. Now if I want to quit in the middle of the game, I type in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you quit. The number was 56. You have no rank. 1 to play again, 9 to quit. So that's one thing as a programmer, is that you got to try to type in your program for all possible cases that go wrong. What if the user types in this, or what they call the end user, the person behind the keyboard is using the software after the program already put it for sale. So this right here is involves a lot of possibility for errors. In fact, in reality, your program is an actual your raw functionality of the program is actually a small part of your program. Probably 3/4 or more of what you're writing has to account for mistakes and errors and what ifs and unaccounted for scenarios and all kind of stuff. So it gets pretty involved. And also, to make things easier for the user, you have to explain what's going on. You got to give specific instructions to the user, and even if they violate those specific instructions, you have to build a scenario into where you can take their mistakes and try to loop them back on track. So all this kind of stuff is very interesting. So that is about the gist of number guess. That does it. You quit with no rank. Now it could be fancy if I could say you have quit with no rank. I could say, had you have gotten it on this try, your rank would have been, and then give the rank. That would take a little bit more fancy programming. But and there you go. So that's number guess with the let statement.